Hello, teacher. My name is Maria Fernanda Beltran Gonzalez. I'm 25 years old. In the municipality is Gacheta, Cundinamarca, Colombia. Born in loving family, four by his mother, father, six brothers. I am psychology student. My performance Low Marley as operator of media technology. Passionate for sport in the food, I will introduce you. My recipe favorite is fruit salad and the C ingredients. One chopped mango, one chopped banana, kiwi chop, half papaya, two grapes. We add go with cheese the teas, one sachet condensed milk, and ready things I don't like is drink alcohol, stay plate, watch television, and the party. Thank you, teacher. Bye bye.